Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome to Sensei Crypto, where we unravel the complex world of cryptocurrencies. Today, we're diving into how to buy Bitcoin in 2024, the ultimate step-by-step guide. If you're looking to join the Bitcoin revolution, this video is your perfect starting point. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto wisdom. Introduction to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital currency, known for being the first decentralized cryptocurrency. It operates without a central authority, using a technology called blockchain for secure, transparent transactions. Its popularity stems from its pioneering role in introducing a system that's not controlled by any single entity, offering a level of freedom and privacy not typically found in traditional currencies. Additionally, its potential for significant value growth has attracted many investors. Understanding Bitcoin involves recognizing its innovative approach to digital transactions and its potential impact on the financial world. Grasping these fundamentals is crucial for anyone considering Bitcoin as an investment, as it helps in making informed decisions in the dynamic world of cryptocurrency. Setting up your wallet. To safely store your Bitcoin, you require a digital wallet, which can be a mobile app, desktop software, or a hardware wallet. Each type offers different benefits. Mobile apps provide ease of access and convenience. Desktop software offers robust security and control, while hardware wallets, like USB devices, provide the highest security by storing Bitcoin offline. The choice depends on your usage frequency and security needs. We'll guide you in choosing the right wallet considering these key factors. Security, to protect against theft and hacks. Accessibility, for ease in managing your Bitcoin. And convenience, for smooth transaction processes. Selecting the right wallet is vital for safeguarding your investment and ensuring seamless crypto transactions. Choosing a cryptocurrency exchange. To purchase Bitcoin, you use a cryptocurrency exchange. These platforms facilitate the buying and selling of Bitcoin and vary in terms of fees, security, and user experience. We'll evaluate the leading exchanges in 2024, focusing on their transaction fees, which impact the cost of trading, their security protocols, essential for protecting your investment, and the user interface, which should be intuitive for both beginners and experienced traders. Selecting the right exchange is a critical decision that influences your trading efficiency and security. We'll help you navigate these choices to find an exchange that aligns with your trading needs and preferences. Buying Bitcoin. The process. Buying Bitcoin involves a few key steps. First, you'll need to create an account on a cryptocurrency exchange, which is a platform where you can buy and sell Bitcoin. During sign-up, you'll be required to verify your identity, a standard procedure to ensure security and comply with regulatory requirements. Once your account is set up and verified, you can proceed to purchase Bitcoin. For this, you'll have several payment options, such as using a bank transfer, credit card, or other payment methods offered by the exchange. Each method has its own advantages, like speed or convenience, so we'll discuss these to help you choose the best one for your first Bitcoin purchase. Understanding this process is crucial for a smooth entry into the world of Bitcoin trading. Investment strategies. Purchasing Bitcoin is merely the first step. Next, it's important to determine your investment strategy. You could opt for long-term holding, where you buy Bitcoin and hold onto it, banking on its value increasing over time. This approach is generally less risky but requires patience. Alternatively, you might prefer active trading, which involves frequently buying and selling Bitcoin to capitalize on market fluctuations. This strategy can offer quicker returns but comes with higher risk and requires more market knowledge. We'll delve into the risks and rewards of each strategy, helping you understand which aligns best with your financial objectives and risk tolerance. Choosing the right strategy is essential in maximizing your potential gains while managing the inherent risks of Bitcoin investment. Staying informed and safe. In the ever-changing and volatile world of cryptocurrency, being well-informed is crucial for both safety and success. we'll provide essential tips on how to stay updated with the latest Bitcoin news and market trends, which is key for making informed trading decisions. Additionally, we'll cover how to recognize and avoid common scams and security pitfalls in the crypto sphere. Staying alert to these risks and being knowledgeable about the latest developments is crucial. This vigilance and awareness are fundamental in navigating the crypto market effectively and safeguarding your investments. In the world of crypto, knowledge truly is power, acting as your shield against potential risks and your guide to opportunities. Beyond Bitcoin, exploring other cryptocurrencies. While Bitcoin is a dominant player in the cryptocurrency market, numerous other promising digital currencies exist. We will introduce you to key alternatives like Ethereum, known for its smart contract functionality, and Litecoin, often regarded as the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Additionally, we'll explore emerging cryptocurrencies that are gaining popularity due to their unique features and technological innovations. Understanding the diversity and potential of these alternatives is essential for anyone looking to broaden their cryptocurrency portfolio beyond Bitcoin. Each of these cryptocurrencies offers different benefits and risks, catering to various investment strategies and preferences in the dynamic world of digital currency. Congratulations, you're now ready to step into the world of Bitcoin. Remember, this guide is a starting point. The journey in crypto is exciting and ever-evolving. Thanks for watching Sensei Crypto. Like, comment, and share if you found this guide helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto insights. Looking for more crypto knowledge? Check out our other videos on Sensei Crypto, where we cover everything from AI's impact on crypto to the latest trends in NFTs. Keep learning, keep trading, and see you in our next video.